Okay, let's go over the homework for Chapter 14, Part 1, the 5/7 chord in root position. So they're asking us here to notate the chord given the fifth. They want it in root position. This is a 5/7 chord. So first I'm just going to put in it all on lines because I'm given the note on a line. Root position, there we go. Now I'm going to check to make sure that my bottom three notes form a major chord. I can't change the given note. G, B, D, yes, the D and the B are both in the G scale, so that's a major chord. Remember, for a dominant seventh, I want a minor third at the top, and that's what I've got, so I'm done. I have a G7 chord here. That's not my answer, though. I want to name the major key in which it would be the 5/7. So I go down a perfect fifth from G7, and I get the key of C. Okay? Switching to bass clef, this is the third. That means these are all going to be on spaces. All right, looking again at the bottom, C, E, G. Yes, that's a major chord, but it's a major third on the top. I need to make it a minor third by flatting that B. Okay, a C7 is my chord. A fifth down from a C7 puts me in the key of F major, or it could be F minor. All right, this G is the seventh. Here's the fifth, here's the third, and here's the root. A, C, E, that is not a major chord because this is a minor third and this is a major third. Let's switch that. Let's raise the C to a C sharp. A, C sharp, B, major chord, major triad, with a minor third, E up to G. Get to know those thirds. So now I have an A7 chord, a fifth down from A, and I can continue it this way in all of these. Go down two more spaces to the D. And there I am. So B flat here is the root. B flat, line, line, line. B flat major, sure it is, but I can't have an A. I need to have a minor third. That will be an A flat. Remember, B flat major is not my key. A fifth down from B flat major takes me to E flat. And yes, there is an A flat in the key of E flat. We're just not using key signatures. We're using accidentals because we don't know the key until after we figured out the 5/7 chord. All right. Number 5 with your favorite clef, and here's the third, the root, the fifth, and the seventh. Okay, so in this alto clef, you know that this is A sharp because this is the C, and a third down from A sharp is not F. It needs to be F sharp. F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp will be my chord. My major chord. F, A, C is major. I sharp everything, get F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and then the E is correct. A fifth down from F sharp is going to be the key of B. Good so far? Almost done. Number 6. This is the fifth, the third, the root, and a ledger line to middle C. D, F, A, not a major chord because there's no F in the D scale. F sharp, and then A to C is a minor third. So I have a D7 here. I'm taking it down a fifth to get the key of G. All right. The root here is F. So the bottom of a dominant chord is a major triad. That's F major. And a minor third on top would make that E flat. A fifth down from F is the key of B flat. All right, the finish line.